Happy first day of Vlogmas. Okay, I have wanted to do Vlogmas for so long, but I was scared, I was nervous. We're moving past all of that. This Vlogmas 2024. If you are not sure what Vlogmas is, let me tell you. Vlogmas is basically when the girls get on the tubes and we post a video every single day during December. I will be doing Vlogmas here in Dubai, and I'm so excited about this because not only will I be sharing some things around Dubai and how we get into the Christmas spirit here, because they do Christmas, okay? The markets is about to start opening, the trees are up. I'm about to go pick mine up for my kids tomorrow. Okay, not only that, but I'll be sharing some travel vlogs and there will be some giveaways for my Teach Travel Thrive fan. And also I'm gonna be sharing you guys my vision for Teach Travel Thrive in case you don't know what the heck I'm talking about. Have a seat, darling. It's a Vlogmas time.
Ho, 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 ho.
So before we start talking about the giveaways and everything that is going to be coming up in December, I wanted to take this moment to actually explicitly say what Teach Travel Thrive is, why I started it, and why I'm so passionate about it. My biggest struggle sometimes comes with sharing my ideas loudly and boldly, and I'm entering this new space in my life, excuse me, where I'm working on that mindset and really pushing forward with everything that I want in my life, and Teach Travel Thrive is a big part of that. So if you know my story, if you don't, I'm gonna give you a short synopsis. After I graduated college in 2014, I moved abroad to Kuwait. I taught there for 4 years. I moved back to America for 5 years, decided that wasn't it. 0 out of 10 would not recommend, and last year I decided to move to Doha, Qatar to teach. While I was there, I started sharing my journey and story on TikTok, and I received so much love, so many messages and DMs. Excuse me, y'all. Now, where's my water at? Oh. I was smacking on some popcorn and now my mouth dry. That's what I get. So during that time in Qatar, where I was sharing the journey on TikTok, I got so many messages and DMs. And it was such a beautiful time because I didn't realize that sharing my story could have an impact on someone or want people to learn more about teaching abroad. Because you would think that in 2024, you know, more people are moving abroad, that there's more access, more information, but a lot of people don't know the opportunities that you can have teaching abroad outside of just teaching English, right? I've taught abroad now, this is gonna be my 6th year, and I've never just taught English. I've had a regular 2nd or 3rd grade classroom the entire time that I've been there. So once I started sharing that journey, I was like, wow, this is dope. This is cool. This is awesome for me to be able to share my story and for it to inspire someone or encourage someone to travel or teach abroad or learn more about the process. So in comes Teach Travel Thrive because I wanted to find a way to have more concrete resources and information for people to take if they really wanted to embark on this journey. When I moved abroad in 2014, fresh 22, just graduated, I had no idea what the hell I was doing, okay? I literally went off vibes and a prayer. And sometimes that's all you need. Sometimes that's all you need, but it might have been a little bit more helpful to have a guide or someone there to help me navigate certain things while I was there. So that is the basics of Teach Travel Thrive and why I started it. I really want to create an organization and a community that supports women in their decision to move abroad, even if it's not to teach, right? I want you to feel empowered. I want you to feel excited. I want you to feel like you're capable of making that big choice in your life because you are. So if you are somebody who wants to teach abroad or just move abroad in general and you're looking to have more information or see what the lifestyle is kind of like, here is where you want to be. I want to show women, but especially Black women, that you do not have to stay in the box that you are in. The world is literally your oyster. Not to sound corny or not to sound cliche, but you have the opportunity to change your life in whatever direction you decide. I don't feel like that we're passive people in our lives. I feel like we are co-creators with whatever you believe in, the universe, God, Allah, whatever it is. You are not a passive person in your life. So if you are in that space, you're on that journey, this is the whole purpose of me creating Teach Travel Thrive. And I want to be clear that it's not just about teaching. I don't want to just focus on the teaching, because yes, that's an important part of it, but there is something that comes alive in you, in your soul, in your spirit, when you take a leap to do something different, when you move out of your comfort zone, when you try something new. And that is what I want to cultivate. That is what I want to support. That is what I want to pour into, right? Because I know the impact that teaching abroad has had on me, and if I can in any way impart my knowledge or my support or my love in somebody going on that same journey, that is exactly what I'm going to do. So to celebrate Teach, Travel, Thrive and the community that I've been building across platforms, I'm going to be doing 4 giveaways this month in December, and I'm so excited because I've always wanted to do this. I love when I see other YouTubers giving away things, supporting and loving on their community, and I want to do the exact same thing. So up first is going to be 2 copies of my ebook. So I created an ebook earlier this year that gives you all of the steps you need and details about teaching in Kuwait or Qatar. Like I said, I spent 4 years in Kuwait, 1 year in Qatar. The ebook guides you step to step. It gives you tips. I share some of my stories about living abroad and teaching abroad in there. There's a workbook portion to it. It literally guides you through and gives you that basic foundation if you're wanting to start, right? Getting your thoughts out, getting organized, and helping you start that journey. So I'll be giving away 2 free copies of the ebook. If you want to purchase the ebook, I'll put the link down in the bio below. Next up on the docket is I'm going to be giving away some money. I'll be giving away $50 to 1 lucky subscriber. So tune in if you want that to be you. And the last thing, which I'm so excited about, is I have finally put together a live workshop on how to teach abroad. So it will be launching in January 12th. It is not open to the public yet. I do have a wait list, so go ahead and sign up on the wait list so you can be notified when it opens. It's only going to be a small group of people because I want it to be live so that you guys can have that time with me to interact, to ask questions, and work through the workshop. So we're gonna sit together, bang it out. You're gonna have your profiles ready. You're gonna optimize your resume and your cover letter, and you are going to be on your way to building your dream life teaching abroad in 2025. So if that sounds like something you want, make sure you enter the giveaway for that. And if you don't win it in the giveaway, again, sign up for the waiting list, and when the course is ready to launch, you will be notified and you'll be able to sign up. So those are our 4 giveaways for Vlogmas. 2 copies of my ebook, $50, and a free spot in my live workshop, helping you teach abroad from A to Z. So I'm super pumped about that. I hope that you guys are excited about that. Now, how to enter the giveaways. So all you have to do is sign up to my waiting list. I will put a special link down in my subscription. I will put a special link down in the bio, and if you sign up to the newsletter using that link, I will automatically enter you into the giveaways, and you will be able to compete for any of those 4 prizes. If you want to have additional entries, please make sure that you follow on TikTok and Instagram. So that is all I have for you on this first day of Vlogmas. I wanted to introduce it and kind of share the story behind it and where I see Teach, Travel, Thrive going. Guys, I see Teach, Travel, Thrive being a global community. Like, the ideas and the thoughts that I have for this are out of this world, and I'm so excited to finally be sharing that out in the open and putting it into the universe, putting that energy out there. Bring the people to me who want to be a part of this Teach, Travel, Thrive community. Join my email list, get your entry. Let me know if you have any questions down below. And if you have any questions in general about teaching abroad, please put them in the comments. I am happy to answer them. That is what I am here for. I am so excited. Stay tuned for the rest of this week. I have some really fun and exciting videos coming up for you. I'm really happy and excited to share more of this Dubai life, some of my life in Qatar, and some travel vlogs that I've never released, because you know your girl stays on a trip. So if all of that interests you, stick around. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 2.